Hey guys, welcome back. Day 4, I think, the 4 Patriots meals. This is the fireside stew. Let's see, open pouch, remove oxygen absorber, whisk contents into 10 cups of boiling water. Boil to 3 to 5 minutes, reduce heat to medium, and cook for another 25. What's in it? It don't really say. I can read the ingredients, but it's like rice and elbow mac, chicken soup base, onion powder. So, we're gonna find out. We get the 10 cups of water going and let you know. All right, guys, we're back with the fireside stew. I believe that's what it's called. Yeah, fireside stew. How it came out, you can tell it's super hot. Smells really good. It's got like a smoky kind of smell to it. It's got lentils, rice, carrots, maybe some broccoli, elbow like macaroni. Super hot. This one needs something, you know, salt and pepper, of course. The way it smells, you expect it to have a lot more flavor to it. Is it bad? Absolutely not. Is it edible? Heck yeah, all day. But if you make it and you smell it, I guess your mind expects there to be a lot more flavor. But it's actually not bad. I mean, a little salt, pepper. If you had some chicken or something to throw in there, or some beef or something to throw in there, some chunks of beef, it'd be really good. But as I said, we're trying these as basic as they are. And it's kind of giving y'all an idea what they taste like. So we hope you like, subscribe, share. Come back and see us at our Texas Homestead. And we'll see you next time.